Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy in a blender. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, primarily granulated sugar, and your choice of food coloring. Make sure your blender is thoroughly clean and completely dry to prevent any issues. Set up your workspace in an open area, as this process can be a bit messy. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get to the blending. Add about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to your blender. If you want colored cotton candy, add a few drops of food coloring directly to the sugar. Secure the lid and blend on a high setting for approximately 30 to 45 seconds. You'll start to see fine, wispy strands forming, which is exactly what we want. Remember to work in small batches for optimal results. Once the blending is complete and the blender has fully stopped, carefully remove the lid. You'll see the delicate cotton candy strands clinging to the sides. Use a skewer, a fork, or even a clean chopstick to gently gather these wisps. Slowly roll the spun sugar onto your chosen stick, building up a fluffy, sweet cloud. It's a bit like magic watching it form right before your eyes. Here are a few final tips for your cotton candy adventure. Make sure to clean your blender immediately after use. Sugar can harden quickly and become difficult to remove. Don't be afraid to experiment with different flavor extracts, like vanilla or strawberry, to create unique and delicious treats. This method is a fun way to enjoy a classic carnival snack at home. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade cotton candy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.